Nope, not that. And you feel cuter. No. What should I say? Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Mary Lou, and today I have 5 stylish and functional hacks that you need for your home. After that, I whip up a quick fall treat in the kitchen. It's great for this time of year, and easy. Then I'll have a quick clean with me, and you'll get to see some of the products I use in the first portion of my video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please consider subscribing down below. Click the big red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to know what I recommend to keep your home stylish and functional, keep watching. So we're here in my closet. My next tip is to have slimline hangers. I have all of these same hangers. They're the gray, they're Studio B from Bed Bath & Beyond. They create a uniform look. You'll see. They create more space because they are thin. And so I have more space than I would if I had those big bulky plastic white hangers. Uh-oh. I do still have some clothes on those big bulky white hangers, but that's okay. A cute, stylish step stool is my next tip for having a stylish and functional home. I have this one right here, but I have to use it for pretty much everything. In order to get to the top of the shelves in my closet, I have got to have this step stool. To the top of the cabinets in my kitchen, I have to have this step stool. They're sleek, they're stylish, easy to use. You just pop, there's a kind of a bar, you just pop, it closes together, and it tucks right away. The best part is that it looks great, but it's also functional. You can see I keep one of these ladders tucked away next to my washer. It's easily accessible if I need to get into those cabinets. It's also right here by my kitchen, and so I can just snag it if I need to get up high into one of my high kitchen cabinets. So my next tip for a stylish and functional home is to have somewhere cute to hang your laundry. Behind me, I have a laundry ladder. I'll show you details here in a second, but it has been a lifesaver in several of mine and Farrell's homes. I just found that in the laundry room, I didn't have enough places to hang all the clothes. I found this cute little laundry ladder on Etsy. It's so cute. People always ask questions about it. It looks like a part of your home decor, but it also functions and allows you to hang up your laundry to air dry. My next tip for being stylish and functional in your home is magnets that are functional and cute. I have these right here. These bins are magnets. They're all white. And this other one I put chip clips, and they just magnetize to the side of the refrigerator, and they're there for me to grab when I need them. This is the other one. It holds all kinds of things. I have all these little cute chip clips of all different sizes. I have these hooks that are magnet. I had Millie's bibs hanging right here. I have my pot holders, and then I have this cute egg tray. and I have it hanging. I have a set of those basket magnets on the side of my dryer, and it holds all the clips that I use to hang up pants, shirts, anything like that, and you'll see that they just look like this. It's got all the clips in them. I have 2 of them, and then in the gray matches my washer and dryer, so that's cute. So the next stylish and functional tip for your home is cute baskets. I got this one from the Container Store. It is the knit line from Curver. I love all of their baskets. They're super cute. They're plastic, which makes it easy to clean, and they have cute, clean color lines like this ivory white one right here. Next tip involves these Luminara candles. I love these candles. I became obsessed with them a couple of years ago, but they create such a great ambiance in your home, the same that a real candle would, without the upkeep and maintenance of a real candle, and you don't have the safety hazards that you do with real flame. I literally have these flameless candles everywhere in my house. You see them right behind me on either side of my TV. They're great because they have this little remote. You just use the remote to turn them on and off. I thought I would use this cute little egg tray that I have from my grandmother to make deviled eggs with a little twist on it. We're going to be watching LSU this afternoon. Deviled eggs are a great treat to make if you're having people over to watch football, if you're going to a party. I know everyone this time of year has lots of things and events to go to, and deviled eggs are really simple. You pretty much should have all the ingredients in your refrigerator and pantry. I'm going to show you how I do it with a little twist for today's football game. some stuff came for my Christmas video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you have any recommendations for stylish and functional hacks for your home. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye.